the music I'm listening to today. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is it's February 24th. I decided to go for a run. I don't know why. Oh wait, I know why. I'm training for my first 5K. It's on St. Patty's Day this year. It's called the Irish Jig. So yeah, just going for a run. 1 mile in, 1 mile. There's nothing like when it feels like spring out, but it's winter. The only time you get this is when it's actually spring and it feels like summer. It's one of the best feelings. I'm getting ready for mile 2. Just running on the Kent trails. Getting ready for my first 5K ever. The Irish Jig over in East Grand Rapids, Michigan. Feel free to come out. I'm gonna bring my GoPro. Love to see you there. I'm gonna get running again. I used to play on that bridge so much as a kid. My legs are so tight right now. For those of you that are curious, my fastest mile time ever, 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Just this week, Monday, I ran 3.12 miles, just a hair over a 5K. I ran that in 19 minutes and 47 seconds. I'm really excited for my first 5K ever, this March 17. All right, just finished my 5 mile run. I feel freaking great. My shin splints don't, but I'm gonna keep running until this 5K hits, and I'm gonna keep going and keep going. I'll keep you updated with the results. Thank you. Tune into the next video.